Folks, welcome to episode 2 of the series Criminal Defense 101. Today we're going to discuss issues facing out-of-state clients who've been charged with a felony. Now, unlike misdemeanors, felonies are the most serious of crimes. While misdemeanors can carry a risk of jail, felonies almost certainly will include some type of jail as well as probation if you're convicted. There are 3 categories of felonies here in Maine: A, B, and C. With A being the most serious, that includes gross sexual assaults and murder, as well as manslaughter. B's, generally aggravated assaults, trafficking in drugs, and C's, the least serious of which carries a penalty of up to 5 years in prison and a fine of $5,000. Now, if you are out of state and you are charged with a felony here in the state of Maine, you must appear for your initial appearance in person. Regardless of whether or not you retain an attorney, you must be there for the initial appearance. The initial appearance is an opportunity for the judge to read to you the charges the state has levied against you. You will not be pleading guilty or not guilty at that point. It's just to be apprised of the nature of the charge. In addition, the judge will be discussing with the district attorney when they expect to bring your case before a grand jury for indictment. In Maine, before a case can move from the allegation to a complaint, a formal charge, it must be brought to the grand jury. If you are indicted, then the next time you're back, potentially in the state of Maine, will be for your arraignment, and that is your opportunity to plead guilty or not guilty. Obviously, if you secured the services of my office, you will not be pleading guilty at that arraignment. At that point, you will be entitled to all the discovery in the case, which may be police reports, it may be surveillance video, it may be cruiser video, it may be audio, it's going to have witness statements potentially. There are many things that come with discovery. You'll have an opportunity to review those items with me so that we can talk about the defense of your case. So again, in Maine, the major difference between your appearance in a misdemeanor versus your appearance in a felony is, in a misdemeanor, you do not have to appear in person if you've retained my services. On a felony, you must appear for all court appearances in person. During episode 3, later, we will discuss the court proceedings for a misdemeanor versus a felony. Keep watching. I look forward to bringing you more information. Thank you.